my name is Mohammad Ami Haidariti and welcome to Tech Code. So today I am going to show how to add credit card to Google Pay on desktop, computer, laptop or what you call. So first you have to click on subscribe, go to the notification tab and click on all. Thank you for 36 subscribers and 370 views on Aerofix. This number cannot be used for verification video. So keep supporting me and I will support you from the way of videos. So let's get started. So let's start. Now first you have to go to pay.google.com. I will share the link in the description. Now, after going to pay.google.com, it will say please add your Google account. If you have added before, it will not show. I have added before. I do. And now click on here. Add a payment method. Now I'm clicking on this. Now you have to give your credit card number, billing address, your expiration date, and CVV. So I'm going to pause because I'm not showing the credit card details. So I'm going to pause. Okay, after doing all that, it is showing that the zip code does not appear to match the rest of the address. I assume that that is a problem. But when you click on save, it will make your profile with your credit or debit card. If you have any problem with like this or this zip code cannot be used, the zip code does not appear to match the rest of this address, comment me down. And okay, so thanks and bye bye. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. Bye.